Hey there, movie buffs. Um, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Who knew the Ratliffs had such a twisty future? In The White Lotus, Sarah Catherine Hook drops some surprising insights on where the family might be headed post-revelation. And Timothy, the family patriarch, was on the verge of financial ruin, and a secret that his family didn't know, when they retrieved their phones, the shocking truth hit them. Um, it but the aftermath was left to our imagination. Lachlan, the youngest, had always believed in a simpler life. Meanwhile, Victoria, their mother, was all about privilege and social standing. Hook thinks Victoria will divorce him and find a new wealthy partner. Piper, on the other hand, might visit her dad in prison, surprising everyone. Piper's journey was unexpected. Um, she realized she wasn't meant for a monk's life, despite past thoughts. And despite her mom's efforts, Piper hopes to break the family's negative patterns. So, and, you know, put a lot of like marriage to his timeline part that has been finally immediately, and it turns out she's still grieving, but values comfort more than she thought. Um, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,